Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin.
And we've got a 1967 Camaro here. I sold this car to the gentleman 15 years ago. We just acquired it back from him. The car was completely restored in 2003, upgraded suspension, has a ZZ 383 motor with 425 horsepower, some custom interiors. Got a long list of stuff, which we'll go over all that with you. Or you can go to volocars.com, volocars.com, and that's where you can read all the information, look at pictures top to bottom, and that is where you'll find a price on every one of the cars we have for sale, along with a monthly finance option as well. That's if you go to volocars.com. If you enjoy these videos, subscribe and then click on that bell icon. We got some great cars coming up, and that way you're notified as they're posted. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Okay, so in 03, when the car was restored, all the suspension was rebuilt, replaced, bushings, ball joints, all that good stuff was redone. It does have frame connectors tying the front to the back. It has front and rear sway bars. It's been lowered. It has Edelbrock gas shocks, so it has some nice upgrades. Dual exhaust with a crossover pipe, and it has quad tips coming out the back, which you'll see here in a second. You'll also hear it run towards the end of the video. It's got a high torque starter on the bottom of the motor. It's a 700 R4 overdrive transmission. It's got a posi rear end in the back. The floors appear to be very solid original metal. The rockers and all that looks to be good solid metal. I'm not going to say the underside's detailed, but it's all clean, solid, respectable, proper. They also upgraded the brake system. It's got disc at all four of the wheels. The e-brake system is all hooked up. So yeah, it has a lot of good upgrades underneath the car. Now, let's check out the body. It's pretty different. It's kind of cool. White with a really neat, like Tahoe turquoise type green metallic roof and stripes. It's a painted roof. It's not a vinyl roof. And this is the paint job that was on it when I sold it to him. It's held up really well, which says a lot in my opinion. So the roof is all nice and straight, no issues. This is all nice and straight. Got a metal cowl hood. This fender's in excellent shape. It all fits nice. No damage, no problem areas. It's all real good. It all lines up nice, fits nice. No rust down here, no bubbles. It's all smooth. If it was going to bubble, it would have done it by now. This is all nice, all looking good. I've walked around the car a few times. This is the first time I'm actually, getting up close and personal with it. It's actually really a good body. Straight. I don't see door dings. That door fits the body like it's all one piece. This all fits nice. Yeah, I don't see any problem areas whatsoever. Couple fingerprints. Now the paint itself, smooth and glossy. It's not a $30,000 paint job, so there's a little dust or a little orange peel. There's a little chip right here, but I don't see cracking. Two chips are touched up right here. So yes, if you study and look closely, you'll find minor flaws in the paint, but overall smooth, shiny, painted on stripes. The trim is shiny. Just standing here, it's all glittering and sparkling. The mirror, the vent window frame, the stainless trim, it looks straight and shiny. The emblems are a little tarnished, but they still look good. Emblem shiny, bumper shiny. Has some upgraded tri-bar headlights. Looks like original grille. It's a little faded. The grille is actually painted that same green color. There's a chip right here on the front edge. It's a little chip that's been touched up. The rally wheels, they are chromed with the stainless center cap. They're 16-inch wheels, Dunlop tires. fatter tire in back. Looks like the wheel's a little wider as well. BF Goodrich tire in the back. These are 15-inch wheels in back. Glass looks like it's good, original. You got a spoiler. You got a GM locking gas cap. Tail lights look to be in nice shape. It has the blue dots in the tail lights. The racing stripes come right down and over the panel here. So that's the outside. Let's open it up. I got a lot more to show you inside. Yeah, this is a Los Angeles built car, which explains why the body is so clean. I'm even seeing under the doors are nice. Body, the floors are all really good. This here is actually the original white paint. This has never been repainted. Original sticker. It's a little yellowed, but it's original paint. Weather strip was replaced a long time ago. It's got some nicks in it. Got a couple of these signs, must have been with the car when I sold it to them. Got some 1967 Camaro license plates. You got the mat, the matching cover, spare, car cover, and the metal is all real solid in here. Maybe you can show them what the green looks like up close too a little bit. That makes it different. So the interior lights work, I noticed right away. It has metal door edge guards. The bottom of the doors are really clean. Weather strip, just like the trunk. It looks to be good, original maybe. Overall carpets are very nice. It does have Camaro embroidered floor mats. The dash pad is real good. We got a tachometer up on the dash, walnut steering wheel. But overall, this is not beat up. It's not cut, not broken. Very good shape. Heater control panel's real nice. There's a retro stereo. You got some more gauges. It's a B&M shifter. And you got these nice sport seats. Actually, they're very comfy. Once you sit in them, they hold you really well. And it has racing style seat belts. But if you bear with me 1 second, there's something here I need to show you. It's a rare option. This folds down flat when you move the seats up. It's a fold down back seat. And look at all the trim, all the plastic, the rear shelf, the trim, all in excellent shape. Headliner's real nice. Dome light works. A little bit of fading on the carpet, but it's a nice interior. It's got speakers in the doors. Like the chrome rally wheels. This motor is an actual crate motor. So many people claim it's a crate motor. This still has the tag attached to the side of the block with the part number and the date and everything. It's a 383 stroker motor from GM with 425 horsepower. It has GM aluminum heads, polished aluminum intake, a dual feed Holley carb with electric choke, HEI ignition system back there. I love these cast aluminum valve covers. And then the front of the motor, you got a polished AC compressor, serpentine belt, billet pulleys, you got polished water pump, polished adjustable brackets. And over here you can see all the AC and hoses. They're all stainless or chrome support bars. Be Cool aluminum radiator, the big electric fan, upper and lower stainless hoses. The transmission lines are stainless. Right here they've got that disables the car. Take that with you if you wanted. Polished overflow, polished alternator. This is a Summit vacuum can because of the camshaft that's in there. It's a radical camshaft. You have an extra reserve, a vacuum, power brake system. So yeah, you got air, power steering, power brakes, all under the hood of this car, and a 383 stroker crate motor. So like I said, I bought this car back from the person I sold it to 15 years ago, and it has quite a lot going for it. That stroker motor and the suspension and the disc brakes and all the goodies. And we all know Camaros are hot, and this is probably the least expensive one I've had come through here in a long time. So go to volocars.com. That's where you can talk to the salesman. They'll answer your questions. They'll help get this delivered to your door, and they'll help you finance it as well. That's at volocars.com. If you enjoy the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and you have to click on that bell icon so you're notified as the new ones are posted. Thanks for watching.